Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to use Scheme and Material Painter in custom tiles. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing we click into the Tile Customize function. Alright, and then we can just simply drag a random tiles onto our wall. Alright, so if let's say over here, you want to use the same tiles, okay, so we can always use the Scheme Painter. Alright, click on the tiles and just copy to another wall. Alright, so right now I can double click. Now I would like to change the colors of my tiles. Okay, so I'm going to choose a different type of material. If let's say I want to have multiple tiles with this brown color, okay, so we can also use the material painter, okay, and just click, choose the tiles that you would like to change, just like that. Alright, and there you have it. So this is how to use Scheme and Material Painter in custom tiles. Good luck trying, guys.